Just close your eyes. Know the peace within.
Dear GM, despite daily listening, reading, and contemplation of GM's teachings, I still experience significant periods of lost time in unnecessary worldly thoughts before, sooner or later, mostly later, regaining inward awareness. Is there a practice or approach to immediately recognize when one has strayed from this inward focus?
You are always used to the duality movements, duality happenings. Now I am taking you to your original non-dual state, beyond movement, beyond changes, beyond words. Initially you find difficult to be with yourself inwardly. So you are asking for a method to settle inwardly. Not knowing that you are already inwardly ever present. To know your inward richness, to know your non-dual state, no method is needed, no practice is needed, no movement is needed, no word is needed, because you are ever in your original state, non-dual state, unmoving state, and unchanging state. I help you to settle inwardly where there is no words. You are used to more words, and words are only due to identifications with the objects. Due to strong identifications with the objects, you are more into words. Through constant usage of words, you need some method to stay beyond words, to know the unmoving state within. I tell you, no method is needed to be with yourself. No practice is needed to be with yourself. Just closing your eyes is more than enough. By closing your eyes, you remain free from the duality show. You remain free from the identifications at the object level. Initially, you find difficult to be with yourself due to strong identifications at the object level, at the knowledge level. That's why I say, close your eyes and know the peace within. Because you are already right now in your original state, in your original destination. You are already in the unending, beginningless, eternal state. You are already in the supreme, indescribable, ultimate state. Simply by closing eyes, you remain free from the duality show. By remaining free from the duality show, you remain free from the object level show. By remaining free from the object level show, you remain free from the word level show. By remaining free from the words, you start knowing the stillness. Why you are unable to settle in stillness? Because you are yet to know that you only observe. Only to help you to know that you only observe. Now you are closing your eyes. With eyes closed, you observe only the stillness within. Even when eyes are open, you only observe all the objects that happen around you. When you observe beyond words in stillness, you remain free from the duality show and start settling in your original state. But you are yet to know how to observe free from identifications, how to observe free from words. That's why you want a method or a practice to settle inwardly. Now I tell you, no method is needed once you know how to observe silently. No practice is needed once you know how to observe silently. I teach you how to observe silently, inwardly, because inwardly you are ever present. You are never in this duality show. You are ever in the non-dual state. You only observe the duality show. Only thing is you do not know how to observe the duality show. So constantly I am reminding you that you only observe. And I am not only reminding you that you only observe, and I make you know the stillness within, and I help you to observe silently the stillness within. Once you know to observe silently beyond words, you remain free from the duality show. You remain free from knowledge. You remain free from identifications. Because identifications are at the elemental level. Identifications are at the duality level. Words are at the duality level. Every object is at the duality level. And you are neither the identified object nor the knowledge related to the object that happens at the duality level. You always observe and you only observe. Take these words deeply. You always observe and only you observe. And in your observation, a short film is going on, a short time-based duality show is going on. This you will come to know only by settling inwardly. Once you know to settle inwardly, nothing affects you. But to settle inwardly, you must know to observe silently. To observe silently, no knowledge is required, no effort is required. Effortlessly, you only observe. Eternally, you only observe. Endlessly, you only observe. Beginninglessly, you only observe. Infinitely, you only observe. Only thing is, you do not know how to observe. Now I tell you to observe silently, in stillness. Now I tell you to observe silently in stillness. Even with eyes open, if you know to observe silently, nothing affects you. No movement affects you, no duality show affects you, no happening affects you. You remain totally free inwardly. You remain utterly relaxed inwardly. You remain endlessly joyful inwardly. That's why I say, settle inwardly and know your greatness beyond dream, beyond duality, which are not you. Simply close your eyes and observe silently. Know the stillness within. And even when eyes are open, observe the entire duality show silently, free from identifications and free from words. Then you know that your conscious state is already prior to the duality show, and your conscious state remains unaffected by the movements of the duality show, and you are already ever present inwardly, settle inwardly and stabilize inwardly. That is the only way to wake up totally and to realize what you are. Close your eyes, stay beyond words, and observe silently. To know that no method is needed to be with yourself. No method is needed to remain wakeful, and no method is needed to realize what you are.